Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here's our comprehensive review of HughesNet Internet Service, covering everything from features and performance to ideal user profiles. Links to HughesNet products and further details are included in the description below. HughesNet delivers satellite internet service, focusing on rural and remote locations where traditional internet options like cable or fiber are often unavailable. Let's explore its key features, assess its performance, and determine who would benefit the most from this service. HughesNet boasts nationwide coverage via satellite technology, bridging the connectivity gap in areas underserved by other internet service providers, ISPs. All plans offer download speeds reaching up to 25 megabits per second and upload speeds up to 3 megabits per second. While these speeds may not compete with fiber optic or high-speed cable connections, they are perfectly adequate for activities such as casual streaming, web browsing, email communication, and social media engagement. HughesNet also includes built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, enabling seamless connection for multiple devices throughout your home. A notable feature of HughesNet is its data token system. This allows subscribers to purchase additional high-speed data if they exceed their monthly allowance, offering flexibility for managing data usage. Furthermore, HughesNet provides a bonus zone feature, granting users 50 gigabytes of free data each month during off-peak hours, 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. This bonus data is perfect for downloading large files or scheduling system updates without impacting your regular data allowance. HughesNet is an excellent solution for individuals and families residing in remote locations with limited internet options. It's important to acknowledge, however, that satellite internet inherently experiences higher latency compared to other technologies. This increased latency could impact activities sensitive to real-time performance, such as online gaming or video conferencing. The HughesNet equipment setup is straightforward, consisting of a satellite dish and modem provided as part of the service package. Professional installation is handled by HughesNet technicians to optimize performance and ensure a smooth setup process. Contracts typically run for 24 months, a factor to consider when weighing your options. One potential drawback is that HughesNet enforces stricter data caps compared to some competitors, which might pose a challenge for heavy internet users. That being said, HughesNet excels in providing reliable connectivity for basic internet needs precisely where other providers fall short. In summary, HughesNet presents a reliable choice for those in rural or underserved areas seeking consistent, always-on internet access. For more information, or to check HughesNet availability in your area, please consult the links in the description below.